We really want to thank God for the success of this project. We have come to test for the flames today.
Hi, welcome back to my storyline. So I led a student and we're done with the construction of the biogas digester and I stood beside them. We took some pictures. They were so happy and they also posted beside the biogas and took some pictures. We buried the digester and we've measured the cow dung and the water and the student filled it up and we took some pictures to conclude the project. I later came back in the evening to do the finishing touches, and I filled the digester with the cow dung, and I did all the finishing touches. And when I was done with that, I left home. And after some days, the car tube started developing pressure, as you can see here, and then we came to test for the
We
flames.
really want to thank God for
It
the
was
success of this
actually the
project.
eureka
We have
moment in
come
my
to test for the
life.
flames today.
My worst fears did not come to pass. The question keep ringing in my head. Ben, are you sure this project will work? This biogas project will work? Yes, Father. The biogas project will work. And it worked. I have to sing praise to God to tell him how happy I was, and I was overjoyous. You can see we smiling, that smiles, that joy, that fulfillment for a successful project. The next day, I brought my student in the classroom and we were just discussing the success of the project throughout that week. And I was trying to tell them the importance of this project, how this project can be resourceful to earn a living, how this project can put food on your table, the application of scientific knowledge as the highest peak of learning. When you learn, you have to apply the knowledge. That was exactly what I was telling my student here. And as teachers, as students watching this video, I keep saying any knowledge that cannot be applied is a junk knowledge. The knowledge need not to be learned in the first place. And so the biogas knowledge, which started uh, with the topic energy and society, we proceeded from that point to research. When we were done with our research work, we started planning for the project. We did the project planning, project estimation. We estimated our costs and we did all of the inventory. We followed all the due process, and my administrator was able to finance the project. Yeah, you may have a very, very wonderful idea, but if the idea lacks empowerment, the idea will just die off naturally. So, Reverend Father John, financing this project was something very, very important to me, and I remain very, very grateful to you and the management of Mater Ecclesia College, Ekpe, Lagos State, Nigeria. And so when I was done speaking with my children, the next day I brought my wife to the site to show her the success of this project. Beside me is my young scientist, our first son Joshua, who helped me to construct the biogas digester. And over there, beside my wife, is our second child, our daughter Mercy. I call her the Mercy of God. And so I stood here and was telling her thank you for all that she did to inspire me to go on with the project. I was explaining to her the physics, the chemistry, and the biology behind the working of the biogas digester and the production of the methane gas. Yeah, behind every successful man, there's a woman. and then behind also every successful project there is a brain behind it. So God used my wife seriously to motivate me to be successful in this project. It was revealed to her twice how successful this project will be in her dreams. So having explained to her, I took her to the physics lab, and behind the camera was Miss Falilat, our family friend. I explained to her what I explained outside from the inside, how the connections from the inside works. So the revelation of my wife really helped me. There were a lot of challenges, but that revelation that the project was successful twice in her dreams kept keeping me moving. The constraint came in, I have to overcome all of them. So this is where the gas hose from the outside comes in, where it is connected from the scrubber through this place. So I was explaining to her and how everything worked. If you can observe very well, the car tube has gone down, meaning we have lit the gas severally, and the pressure in the car tube went down, so we have to exert more pressure. Yeah, more pressure was exerted on the gas to increase the gas pressure, so that when we lit or when we open the gas valve and lit the gas, the methane gas will be ignited. So if you are watching this video and you are in the capacity of sponsoring me, you can go ahead and do that, because I have gone very, very deep into this project and I cannot come out again. You can see by this time the methane gas was being purified every day. So the gas changed from light blue to something white. It is burning, but you cannot see it. Just watch. It is burning. Wow, success. So you see, if you are just watching this video for the first time, I am telling the story of my biogas adventure. You can go on my Facebook page to see the first story in written words. You can also visit my LinkedIn page to see the stories in written words, beginning from story 1 down till date. This particular story is story 7. I have to show the world story 7, not just in written and in picture form, so that they will see that this project worked. And if you are in the capacity of sponsoring me, please do. I am looking for sponsorship. I really want to go deep into biogas. I have gone this deep and I cannot come out again. The story is still ongoing, so continue to follow me up to hear this story till the very end. This is just the beginning of the interesting part of the story. So if you are in the capacity of sponsoring me, I am begging you to please go ahead and sponsor me, so that I will see the very end of the biogas project. Follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube for more details.